This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader. This morning, as we were feeding the birds, this is a little seagull that was hit by a car that was going way too fast, and he just plowed into those birds. A seagull had dropped a piece of food, and another seagull went down to retrieve it, and he hit the bird. And this is what's been going on here. People swerving out of the way to hit the birds on purpose. And he hit him square on. He just ran right over him. And he's dying.
I'm going to call the tears.
He's dying. We're going to call the animal hospital right now to see if he's going to survive. But he doesn't look good because he has blood coming out one of his eyes. He hit him square on. And he's taking his last breath here on the table here from DC Danton. The birds were, first of all, disturbed by one of the residents 2 buildings down who absolutely hates birds. One of the janitors of our building, Eugenia DePaz, and she disturbed the birds when she came. She takes a walk every morning, and when she came, the birds just flew out of the area, and they were already disturbed. And it wasn't a normal feeding. And because they were denied their food, they were very, 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 very hungry. And we have a large group of seagulls here. They're all in starvation. And now you see this little birdie taking its last breath, most probably. I probably think it cannot be rescued. But it is an unbelievable thing. The people go out of their way to kill the birds. And now it happened right in front of my eyes. I didn't have my camera, but I'm filming this so this little bird will not be forgotten. It will not be forgotten. And I'm pleading anybody out there who can help me here in Kreuzlingen, Switzerland, to stop the brutal and vicious abuse of the birds. I'm pleading to you. I will be writing a letter to the mayor today to try and plead to have these people slow down. Imagine a Sunday morning, and the people are racing here, and in fact, there were several seagulls on the ground, and this one wasn't lucky to get away. And I don't know what to do. It's so primitive here. They don't have a 24-hour animal hospital here. There's nowhere I can take this bird. I'm going to try and check if there's a place in Constance. But most of those places only handle dogs and cats. But I'm going to try to do what I can to save this little birdie. It's just unbelievable. I feel so bad. I feel so bad because I knew one day it would happen the way these people go out of their way. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Oh.
Ich wohne in Kreuzlingen und wir fahren auf einen Spaziergang.
We'll see what we can do. Right now, all I can do is take her. He's taking his last breath. My husband's on the phone.
Irgendetwas an der Kopf. Ja.
My husband's on the phone calling to see if we have a place. There's someone that can look at the birdie. But it's not good. It's not good. It's not good.
Tierrettungsdienst. Aha. Aha, Tierrettungsdienst. Moment. Haben Sie ein Telefonnummer oder so etwas?
I can't believe this elderly man was driving the car. He saw all the birds on the street and he just plowed over them. He just wouldn't stop. And that's the way it is here. That's the way it is here. And now one of these wonderful little birds who is expecting to have a wonderful Sunday now is probably going to die.
Sonst müssen wir es bringen. Nur eine Frage. Wir sind alte Leute.
Anybody out there, please help.
Wie ist es bei Wildtieren?
Oh,
Wir
you
müssen
poor
bezahlen.
baby.
Weil es geht um ein Wildtier, oder?
Oh,
Okay, super. Also wir bedanken uns herzlich. Ich rufe mal diese Rettungsdienst an und schauen, ob sie kann den Vogel abholen, wenn nicht, wir bringen das Vogel ihnen. Geht das? Frau de Silva, ne?
poor
Okay,
birdie.
ich bedanke uns herzlich. Bis
Poor
später.
birdie. He's gasping his last breath.
Okay.
Oh my God. The poor thing. I'm going to go and get something warm to put over him. So they said that when birds are hurt, you have to keep them warm. It's warm, very warm here in my bedroom. So, yeah. Oh, he's bleeding from his mouth. That's not good. It's not good. Poor birdie. Oh, my poor bird. There's vicious people here. YouTubers. This is so vicious. I don't know what to say. Anyone that could please come to Crow Crusader and make a comment. It's YouTube, Crow Crusader, DC Danton. And try to lock down these people here who are killing the birds. This is DC Dan. I'm going to sign off because I have to go get a little blanket to cover the bird to keep him warm. More on the little bird later. Okay. This is DC Danton, over and out.